Self-care and cooking are not two concepts that we often talk about together. Self-care is obviously about doing things that make us feel good, and cooking is usually regarded as the act of throwing ingredients together to create a meal to feed us when we're feeling hungry. But I'm really, really passionate about combining those two things together and showing you guys, or helping you understand, that how important it is to cook, to take care of yourself, to eat food that makes you feel good, to get joy out of it. Just like my Italian culture has shown me. And it's one thing that I would really love to help incorporate culturally in Britain, because some of you may not agree with me, but I don't think we hold cooking and eating well as important as I think the Italians do. I really don't. I think there are people that already love to cook, but I think there's a lot of people that find it a bit of an inconvenience. And there's plenty of people out that find cooking inconvenient, stressful, overwhelming. They lack confidence in the kitchen. They just basically find it an absolute chore, and that literally breaks my heart. And I do feel like that's partially culturally. It's a cultural problem, because I feel like we also have a lot of advertising. We have a lot of short-term solutions when dinner is an inconvenience, like recipe boxes, takeaways, ready meals. We're taking away the beautiful art of like home cooking. It's not fancy cooking. It's not what you see in the restaurants or in your magazines. It's just straight up good home cooking. Cooking that makes you feel good, and it can be quick, and it can be easy, and it can be cheap. Where I'm from in Italy, cucina povera, poor man's cooking, is what their amazing culture is based on, and it's what I love, and it's what I want to share. So I just want you guys to remember, everyone deserves a meal. No matter how much time or money you have, we all deserve to eat, and it's the best self-care we could ever do for ourselves. What I'm going to say before I get off my soapbox is that before you jump in my DMs and jump down my throat, it'd be like, but I love to cook. Like, I really love to cook. Like, I haven't got an issue. I find joy in it. Great. Thumbs up. I'm happy for you, because that's how I feel, and I love it when I hear other people say the same. But I'm not here for you. I mean, I don't know how you feel about it, but I'm not. I'm here for the people that don't find joy in it, who are struggling, who are maybe not taking care of themselves the best way that they can because the way they feel about cooking. I want to help transform your cooking relationship, because as soon as you start to feel the joy and feel the love, cook with that love, you can start tasting that love, you can start feeling that love. That in itself is just a really great positive cooking mindset to have, and that is what I'm here to do. So yeah, I say let's get the nation cooking. Do you know what I mean?